Hey everyone, so in the following video, we'll go over the process of how to create and add new blog posts. So we'll head on over to the posts area and we'll click on add new to create our new blog post. We'll then add our blog post title, just like that, and then I'll also copy and paste some text into our body of content. We'll then click on enter several times and then go ahead and add images from our computer. So we can either click on upload files and select files this way, or you can simply drag and drop images from a selected folder into the following upload area. Now once our images have been uploaded, I'll scroll down over here, just make sure that the images are listed to full size, because sometimes WordPress sets them to either thumbnail, medium, or large, and you want to make sure that they are listed to full size before you click on insert into post. Once you've confirmed that they are listed to full size, click on insert into post and the images will be added here. If you switch over to visual mode, this is what it looks like. In text mode, sometimes it may be a little bit easier to add pieces of text in between the image content if that would be required, just like I'm doing right now. So next off, what we'll go ahead and do is add several categories. We have our and categorize, which is default by WordPress, and then we'll also have the ability to add new categories. So we'll type this in here. And then we'll click on add new category button and it will be added here. Scrolling further down, we have the ability to add our tags. This is optional. We also have the ability to add a small decorative image which appears above our blog post title. So we'll go ahead and click on upload. We'll click on insert into post. It'll be added here. Next off, we have our layout options, and this is where we can select whether or not the following post will have a sidebar, right or left hand aligned, up to you. I'll leave this at full width because I don't really have any sidebars to manage at this point. And we'll also need to add a featured image or the cover image for our blog post. So I'll go ahead and drag and drop the following image into this upload area as well. Click on set featured image and it will be added over here. Alright, over here within our info text sidebar information, we'll have the ability to add several blocks of content and information. So we'll go ahead and just title this as block title. This will be block title 1, and then we'll also simply copy and paste the following code over here. Well, not code, but the following text within these HTML brackets that are also editable. So if I simply take the following paragraph of text, I can go ahead and replace this guy, Yossi Fisher, and add this here just like that. And then you can also add an additional block of text, and this will be block title 2. And then once again, I will simply copy and paste the following text over here. Alright, and then we'll also have the ability to add our title color settings. And this is if our blog post title appears over our featured image, you can adjust that color setting. So just in case, we'll go ahead and switch over to white. And at this point, we're pretty much ready to go ahead and publish our post. We'll click on publish. We'll refresh the following page. Actually, we'll need to go over to our blog page. Sorry about that. And here we have our cover image. We then have our blog post title, several lines of text over here. And once we click on the actual post, here we have our decorative image. Next off, we have our blog post title, which is above the following featured image, and you'll see here that the color is white. And then scrolling further down, we have our text content. We then have our images. We have this text in between the images and so forth, and then we have our blog title 1, blog title 2 with the following content and information. So this is one way how you can add and manage blog posts. We also have the option of creating what's called a lightbox gallery, and in order to add that, what we'll need to do is simply click on add media, and you'll need to click on create gallery, And over here, select the images that you want to add. So I'll go ahead and simply select 3 images, and I want to make sure that they're all horizontal. And then you'll need to click on Create Gallery. And over here we have the option of selecting the amount of columns. Now, because I only have 3 images, I want to keep this at 3 columns only. Though if you're uploading 6 or 9 images or 8, 12, you can also adjust these settings over here, and that will also determine the size of your thumbnails. Once you've played around with these settings, click on Insert Gallery, and they will be added over here. You can see in visual mode, this is what it looks like. In text mode, once again, if we click on Update, we'll then go to the following page. We'll refresh this. You'll see that we have the following 3 images. Once we click on the image, it expands, and we are able to simply flip through these images using our keyboard. So this is, I guess, the process of how to add content to your blog post, how to add images, and then also how to simply utilize some of the options that WordPress offers by default and some of the custom features by Flothemes. So this is it. Thank you for watching.